Hello students, how are you? I am sure that all of you will be safe and sound at your home. My dear students, regarding our previous discussion, we have already discussed a lot of topics related with our grammar section as well as our writing section. That's why just after finishing these all the two sections, we have already started our literature. Regarding the discussion of literature, I have already provided you a lot of ideas, facts or information related with literature. Just after finishing the guidelines related with literature, today we have to start our first chapter related with our literature book. So all of you seriously, carefully and minutely observe my today's videos and follow me. A Letter to God. It's the first chapter related with your first flight, and it's the creation of G.L. Fuentes. So my dear students, just before going to start the discussion of that very topic, I shall try my best to provide you a brief description about the author. Gregoria Lopez Fuentes was a Mexican novelist, poet and journalist. He was one of the leading chroniclers of the Mexican Revolution. He was born on November 17, 1897 and died on December 10th, 1966. My dear students, just after providing a very short or brief description about the author, now we have to think about the characters that will have to play their important role in this story. Regarding the chapter, these are the characters that will have to play a vital role to complete the story. First one, like Lencho. Regarding the story, Lencho will be the central character as well as the main and male character of the story. Next one here, like Lencho's family member as his wife and sons. Next character, like here, the postman, after then the postmaster, and last one, like here, all the employees of the post office. Now we have to focus spot, place or scene related with the story. It's the story actually based with a rural areas. So first spot here like Lencho's village. Next one like Lencho's fields, and the most important spot here like the post office. Just after having a lot of informations related with the author, characters, spot, we should have to know about the theme of the story. A Letter to God is a story of extreme faith in God. A natural calamity leaves Lencho, a hard-working farmer, in distress. Just after then, the farmer writes a letter to God asking him to send some money. The chapter concludes in a very ironic situation here. Now, I would like to provide you the moral of the story. Regarding the story, Lencho believed in God, but he didn't see God in everyone. My dear students, these all the points support you to understand the story related with your chapter. So all of you try to keep these all the points in your mind so that while we have to discuss about the summary of the story, all of you can understand the chapter easily. Next day, I shall try my best to provide you the exact summary of the story. Thanks a lot. God bless you and hope to see you.